Welcome my dear student. Today I am going to solve chapter number 6, factorization. So in this video, this is very important, those who are very weak in this chapter. So we are going to solve exercise 6. So first question, you have to read the question now. So our first question is, find the remainder without division on dividing fx by x minus 2, where f of x is equal to 5x square minus 7x plus 4, and second question, f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 7x square plus 3. So there is two questions. Okay, so we have to find out the remainder without division. So I think in my first part in this chapter already I made video. So those who not clear your concept, so you can watch my part 1 video. So in this video, how to find out the remainder without division. So in this video you can easily understand, I think. So first of all, you have to write the function, that means f of x is 5x square minus 7x plus 3. You have to write in here, and after that you have to find out, determine what is the divisor, that means x minus 2 is divisor. So you have to write in here. So first of all, in this question you can easily find out the remainder, because after x minus is already available. So our formula is x minus alpha. So first of all, you have to make the expression where minus where x and constant term will be connected by minus sign. Okay, so first of all you have to remember it. So here is a minus is there, so no problem. You can when you, our formula is f of alpha, that means in alpha there is only 2. In alpha position there is 2. So you have to put the value of x is equal to 2 in this equation. Then you get then you calculate the remainder without division method. Okay. So first again similar we are finding the remainder. So remainder will be f of 2, because our alpha is 2. So you have to put in here. You have to put the value of x in the place of x. You have to put 2 in the place of x. That means f of 2 is equal to 5 into, there is x square, so you have to write 2 square, minus there is x, 7 into x, that means you have to write f in 7 into 2, and there is 4 is there only, there is no x, so you have to write in only 4 plus 4. So after that if you calculate, so 2 square, that means 4, 5 in here, so you have to write 5 into 4, 7 to the 14, and 4 is there. Okay, so it will be next in third line will be 5 4 ja 20, 14 plus 4, so plus 4 and plus 20, then you get the 24, and minus 14 is there. So after that you have to subtract 14 from 24, then you get the 10. So 10 is the remainder of this. If you divided this equation by x minus 2, that time remainder will be only 10. So first question answer is done. Number 2, again you have to write the function, that means f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 7x square plus 3. Okay, and similar divisor is same, because question is same. So x minus 2, so you have to put in here, but those who can't understand, so how get the value of value 2 is how get. So if you can't understand this method, so you can apply the another tricks. Okay, so that's you can easily the value of find the you can find the value of x. So x minus 2, you have to write the divisor equal to 0. Then after that you can get the value of x, that means x equal to 2. So you have to put in here in the place of x. So here is already function is written in here. So f of x So we are putting the value of x in this equation. So f of 2 is equal to 2 into f 2q minus 7x square, this type of. Okay, so it will be 2 into 2q because x is q. So if you put the value of x equal to 2, then that time will be 2 into 2q. 2 into 2q minus 7 into 2 square plus 3. Then you get the 2 into 2q, that means 8, and 2 square means 4. Then 7 into 4 plus 3. If you multiply 8 to just 16 and 7 4 just 28 and 3 will be here. So 19 minus 28. Then you get the if you subtract 19 from 28, then you get the minus 9. So minus 9 is the answer of this equation. If divided this function by x minus 2, that time your remainder will be only 9. This method is in this chapter is very important theorem, because all problem you have to find out the remainder without division method. So in this method you can solve this problem. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2. Using remainder theorem, find the remainders on dividing f of x by x plus 3. There is no minus. So first of all, you have to make the expression, you have to connect the x and constant by minus sign. Okay, then you can find out, then you can find the remainder. Okay, so my dear students, so please see my you can see how to solve this question. So first of all, you have to write the x plus 3 and you have to make the minus. After x you have to make the minus, because it is a formula. This is the formula, x minus alpha. This value in this place you have to pick up the value. There is no minus, so you have to make the minus. There is a plus, that's why you have to, if you take the minus, so you can write in here also minus, and inside the bracket minus 3. Then after that you can calculate, then same expression you can get. Okay, so in this place, that means x minus alpha, this is the value of x. You have to, when you remainder, so f of alpha. So I'm first sums I am told you. Another tricks, you can apply the another tricks. X plus 3, then you get the x plus 3 is equal to 0, so x equal to minus 3. So you have to put in here, you have to put in. যদি তোমরা এইখানটা বুঝতে না পারো তাহলে তোমাদের কি করতে হবে, এই যেটা দেওয়া থাকবে সেটা সমান 0 ধরবে, 0 ধরে x এর ভ্যালু বার করে নাও। x এর ভ্যালু তুমি যেটা পাবে সেটা এখানে দিয়ে বসিয়ে দেবে, x এর জায়গা বসিয়ে দাও এই পুরো ইকুয়েশনটাতে। তাহলে ইকুয়েশনে যদি আমি x এর জায়গায় বসিয়ে দিই, x এর ভ্যালু কত মাইনাস 3, তাহলে f অফ মাইনাস 3 ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 3 ইন্টু মাইনাস 3 হোল কিউব। আর একটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট জিনিস, যখন মাইনাস থাকবে দ্যাট টাইম ব্র্যাকেট ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। ওকে, সো otherwise your math will be 30% ki 40% your math will be wrong, my thing. So I request to you, when you minus sign present, that you have to make you have to write inside the bracket. Okay, so value, that means so 3 into minus 3 whole cube, power is even odd, that's why minus will you have to write the minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, that means minus 27. And after that minus 3 whole square, that means you get the 9, because power is even, so minus will be removed. So how to remove, I have to you can this also, how to get the 9. So minus 3 into minus 3, then you get the plus 9. Okay, so it will be 9, 3 into 9, 7 into 9, and there is minus minus plus, minus minus plus, 3 5 jar 15, and here is only 1. So after that, if you calculate minus 27 into 3, it's minus 81, and there is 60, 9 7 just 63, and there is 15 and plus 1 is there. So there is before the a positive number, what is how many positive number is there? So plus 63, plus 15 and plus 1. In these 3 numbers are the same sign, so you have to add the 3 number 63, 15 and 1 and get the 79, so plus 79, and there is minus 81. Before minus 81, before 81 minus sign is there, so this is the negative number, but remaining all positive number, so this you have to add it, and after that you can subtract this number 81 and 17, and then get the minus 2, so minus 2 is the remainder. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4, you have to read the question. Find the remainder without division when 3x square plus 5x minus 9 by 3x plus 2. If you divided 3x square plus 5x minus 9 by 3x plus 2, so that time what that time remainder will be what will be remainder? So you have to find out this problem. Okay, so first of all, our divisor is the another form. 1 and 2 is the first question is there, x minus 2, and second question x plus 3, and number 4 there is a 3x plus 2. In this form, when you the divisor present in this form, so that time you have to make the same formula. First of all, you have to common 3 from both terms. So there is 2 is there, and there is no numbers, there is only 2. So how get the 3 as common, because 2 is not, so that time I think, so why common 3 is the very important question. So first of all, I am told you what is the forms of the divisor in this remainder theorem. For the remainder theorem, x minus alpha. Before x, you never write any, you never keep the coefficient. That's why there is 3x is present, no? So first of all, you have to common the 3. Okay, after if you not take the common 3, so I think your if you put the value 2, so I think your, and question number 6, the question number 5 and 6 is the same same type questions. So I think if you solve if you able to solve the question number 5, then I think you can easily solve the question number 6. So but I have to I'm telling a few words on these questions. So using remainder theorem, find the value of a if the division of this polynomial by this polynomial leaves the remainder to a. So you have to find out the value of a. So first of all, in question number 5, I am solve the question number 5. First of all, you have to take the let f of x is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus ax plus 6. Okay, and here is already expression is you can easily find the value of x. Right side you can use the tricks. X minus 1 is equal to 1, therefore x equal to 1. Okay, so my dear student, after that you can put the value of x in this equation, then you get the remainder. That means a 1 cube 5 into 1 square minus 1 into 1 a into 1 plus 6, then you get the some value. Okay, and after that, according to the problem, this value is equal to 2a. This value is equal to, after that you can get the value, no? This value you can put in here. After that you can easily find out the value of a. I think so. I am telling you question number 5 and question number 6 is easy. And question number 7, we are going to solve question number 7. So first of all, you have to read the questions 7. So what is the question is what is telling in question is there. So you have to read the question. What must be subtracted from this polynomial? So from the resulting polynomials, leaves the remainder 2 when divided by 2x plus 1. So here is not finding, you have to, here is not telling that find the remainder of the if divided this by this. This is not our ask these questions. Okay, in this question there is asking you have to find out the subtraction, what must be subtract. So first of all you have to write the polynomials. You have to write here. Already I'm showing this page. So going to solve these questions. So first of all we have to take let p must be subtracted from this. So 2x square minus 5x. So first of all you have to write let f of x is equal to 2x square minus 5x minus p, because there is what must be subtracted. If what must be added, then you have to write here plus p. Okay, so I am taking p. You can take any alphabet, okay, without x. Okay, so since 2x plus 1, again you have to take common 2 from both expression, so it will be x plus 1 by 2. And here in all expression we have to make the minus a relation, minus relation. So 2 bracket x minus bracket minus 1 by 2. Then you get this expression, but you can apply the another tricks also. 2x plus 1 equal to 0, 2x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus half, x equal to minus half. So you can apply, you can put this value. Suppose you are not able to understand this expression, so I think you can apply these tricks, and after that you can put this value. What is the value of x? Minus 1 by 2. তোমরা যদি এটা বুঝতে না পারো তাহলে এই ট্রিক্সটা করে তাহলে এখানে ডাইরেক্ট ভ্যালুটা বসিয়ে দেবে। তাহলে রিমাইন্ডার ইকুয়াল টু কত হচ্ছে হাফ অফ f of minus 1 by 2. Then x, if you put the value of x, then will be 2 into minus 1 by 2 square plus minus 5 into minus half minus 5 p. 2 into 1 by 4 minus plus 5 1 ja 5 and 2 1 ja 2. Okay, so 2 2 ja 4, then will be 1 by 2, 5 by 2 minus p. If you LCM 2 and 2, then you get the 2, and after that and numerator will be 1 plus 5 by 2 minus 2 minus p. So it will be 6 by 2 minus p, so it will be 3 minus p. This is our remainder, but this is not our answer. In this question asking what must be subtracted, we are taking p must be subtracted from this. First time we are written already, so you have to write 3 minus p is equal to 2. So after that if you can solve this equation, then you get p is equal to 1. So p is equal to 1 is the answer. So in this question 1 must be subtracted from the given polynomial, then your remainder will be 2. Okay, so question number 7 is done. 7. And question number 7(2). Question number 7(2) is also same. Question number 7(2) is also same. You can read the questions. 7(2). In 7(2), what is telling there? What must be added? What number must be added? What number must be added to this polynomial, so the resulting polynomial leave the remainder minus 2 when the divided by 2x minus 3. Okay, same formula, same process. Here first of all you have to write let f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus p. Okay, we are taking p. We have to add the polynomials. Then the resulting, if you divided 2x plus 2x minus 3, then will be remainder will be minus 2. So again you have to find the remainder. That means already 2x plus this, you have to write the expression 2x minus 3. So minus is already present, so sign you should not change the sign, only you have to common 2. So শুধু 2 common নিলেই হবে তোমাদের, তাহলে here will be x and here will be 3/2. So in the place of alpha there is 3/2. A 3/2. You should not take these 2. So you should not take the x. Only in the place of alpha you have to put the value. This is the value of this value you have to put in here in the place of x. So you can, I'm also another tricks you can see, already told you 2x minus 3. In this was a tricks also you can apply 2x equal to 3. 2x equal to 3 and x is equal to 3/2. 3/2. So your remainder will be remainder is equal to f of 3/2 is equal to, you have to put in here 2 into 3/2 tar whole cube and minus 7 into 3/2 tar whole square plus 2 into 3/2 plus p. Okay, so you have to calculate this problem. 2 into 27/8 minus 7 into 9/4 plus 2 cancel, so it will be 3 plus p. So after that you have to 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8. Okay, so it will be 27/4 minus 63/4 plus 3 plus p. So it will be, if you take LCM, if you do LCM 2 4 and 4, then it will be 27 minus 63 plus 3 plus p plus 3 plus p. So it will be, and after that you can write in here, I'm writing in here, and so it will be minus 6 in hand 1 2 3 36/4 plus 3 plus p. Okay, minus you have to write in here, so it will be minus 9 plus 3 plus p, so it will be minus 6 plus p. It is the remainder, but this is not our answer. You have to put it here minus 6 ATP. P is equal to, so what is the remainder is there? Minus 2. So that's why p is equal to minus 2 plus 6, so it will be only 4. So you should what must be added? You have to add only 4 to the polynomial. The resulting must be resulting is divided by 2x plus 2x minus 3 2x minus 3, then your remainder will be minus 2. So this is the question number 7. 2 is the answer. So I think if you can't understand, please write your problem in the comment section. Please, I am requesting you, and please watch this channel. So what is the benefit to watch this channel? So if you follow these channels, so step to step and each questions of the chapter and of the exercise, so you can easily understand from this channel. So I think please follow this channel. I think you can easily solve your problem. So this is my second part video of the factorization. So last question number 8. I am going to discuss, and I am going to explain how to solve the question number 8. So question number 8, when divided by x minus 3, the polynomial x cube minus px square plus x plus 6 by 6 and 2x cube minus x square minus p minus bracket p plus 3 x minus 6, leave the remainder same remainder, find the value of p. So first of all, my brother and my dear students, I am telling you so how to solve this question. So first of all, you have to write the let f of x is equal to this and g of x is equal to this. and after that you have to find out the remainder in both polynomials. And after that, according to the problem, this remainder is equal to this remainder, then you get the value of p. So if you can't understand, so I'm going to solve this question. So this is my last question. Question number 81. Let f of x is equal to, there is two polynomials, so you have to define, you have to denote it by two function. One, you can take f of x, that means f of x is equal to x cube minus px square plus x plus 6. Okay, and g of x is equal to 2x cube minus x square minus p plus 3 bracket x minus 6. Okay, so after that you have to find out the remainder. Since so expression divisor is there, x minus 3, so you can easily put the value of x, because x minus alpha, in the place of alpha there is 3. Okay, so you can put the value of x in both equations, then to find the remainder. So f of 3 will be, so f of 3 will be how much? 3 cube minus p into 3 square plus 3 plus 6, then you get 27, and it will be 9p plus 9. So it is, if you added 27 to 9, then 36 minus 9p. Okay, this is the remainder, first remainder. And second remainder, and second function is g of x, that means g of 3. So that will be here, but value is same. So 3 cube minus 3 square minus p plus 3 into 3 minus 6. If you multiply 2 into 27 minus 9 minus 3p minus 9 minus 6, minus plus minus. Okay, and 3 into p, 3p, and 3 3 9, 3 3 9. Okay, and so it will be 54 minus 9 minus 6 minus 3p. Okay, where we are arrange the number. So if you added 54 minus 28 minus 9 18, and 6 minus 24 minus 3p. So if you subtract, then you get the 30 minus 3p, 30 minus 3p. So according to the problem, in this in the question already mention is there, remainder will be same, then find the value of p. So remainder both is same, so 36 minus 9p is equal to 30 minus 3p. Okay, then will be minus 9p plus 3p is equal to 30 minus 36. So it will be minus 6 is equal to minus 6. So minus minus cancel. So p is equal to 6 by 6. So value of p is equal to 1. The value of p is equal to 1 when remainder is same. Okay, so my dear students, so today here I am going to stop. So please follow my channel. I think you can solve your a lot of problem with related to ICSE book, those who are reading class 10s. So my dear students, so thank you, bye bye, take care. And part 3 video I am going to quickly part 3 next day I am going to make, I think. So my dear student, bye bye, take care.